Got squeaky brakes. Well, of course, it's always possible that your pads are worn out and the wear indicators are scraping across the rotors and making that squealing noise. However, that is far from the only reason that they would squeak, and I was 99% certain that mine were fine because I actually did the brakes, and I tend to be very particular about doing them. But mine have been squeaking so loud that my 17-year-old son has been complaining about it. He's very sensitive to noise, and I've even started hearing it when driving. So I thought, you know what, I gotta drive to Dallas tomorrow. Let me make sure these things are not somehow seized or whatever. So, you know, one possibility would have been perhaps the grease in here was gone and one of these was seized up and wore the pad down. But as you can see, the pads are perfectly fine. They're perfectly balanced. The wear indicators there are still showing plenty of life. But what you might be able to see on camera, but definitely tell, is these are totally dried out. So what happens when you brake is these can move and squeal against your caliper. Basically 5 points there. So you could grease here, 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 or just grease the back of the pads, or both. Something like this tends to work very well. You also make it in a can like this, or if you really feel like you need it, you could jump up to the Copper Anti-Seize brake lube. This stuff will not go anywhere. In fact, when you get it on you, it doesn't go anywhere either. As you can see, just touching the gloves on there. It's really potent, but highly effective. So I'm just gonna paint some on here, paying attention to where the metal contacts this. This should never squeal again until I'm not one to do this, but if I let the pads wear down to the point to where the wear indicator was squealing on there, I'm gonna go ahead and do this side since I can't really see the inside. I'll probably coat the inner pad as well, but this way I know that I've coated these, and it's not gonna hurt to put a little on the insides of that as well. Like I said, it's been squealing really loud, so I'm sure people thought I had totally worn down my brake pads, but just a lack of lubrication there. And so that's what I used originally on the backs, and I gotta say that's a big failure. I mean, I don't remember what year I uploaded the brake pad replacement video for this car, but it wasn't that long ago, and it's totally cooked off. So this copper stuff should do the job, and I'll let you know.